guys in this tutorial again. Now in this tutorial I will show you how can you implement dependent source in any circuit. So what is dependent source? First of all we have to know. So minimize this and we have to open a JPG file. Now here you can see here, yes, this circuit. We have to implement this circuit, means we have to find Thevenin's voltage across this and Thevenin's resistance across this. Means we have to find equivalent circuit of Thevenin's resistance. Means not like VTH and RTH to be find. You can also find Norton or any type. I already told you earlier how can you network theorem problem, how can you draw. Now here you can see a pyramidal shape, that is 2Vx and positive negative. This is the dependent source and positive negative. 2Vx. What is Vx? Vx is the voltage across 4 ohm resistance. Means voltage across this is dependent, means this dependent source depends on voltage across this resistance. So that's why it is called dependent source. So it is a voltage control, means voltage controlled voltage source. So VC, VS. Similarly, four types of dependent source are available. You can, if you work with circuit, you can see many times. Here this is voltage control voltage source, VCVS, short form, symbol in text AB like pyramidal, and if current control current source, CCS, short form, and here same but only the current direction, and here is positive negative voltage controlled current source, like that. Current control voltage source I will explain all of you, but first of all you have to know, according to our circuit, voltage controlled voltage source. And part name in pspice. In pspice no component like volt dependent source. Here the part is only E for PCVS, F for CCCS, G for BCCS, and H for CCVS. A symbol like that. When you use in pspice you can see. Now, so our circuit is this. So we have to implement this circuit. Okay. Now open schematic file. First of all you have to do one thing that we do earlier. 1 second we have to do this, because our software is so slow when you use this. After, if you save much more file, then how can you avoid? Simple, you have to go any file, here click, you have, and I already told you how open file location and Control A, select all and delete this. I already delete all that, my previous saved project, so you also delete. So you can see my only one save file is, but you have many, that's why you have problem slow going on this. So first of all you have to delete that. Now come to, you can know how file new project, then analog mixed, name anything, and source file SPV data, and create blank project. You can know all these things. Then you can see here our page. It's 2 times open, so you have to close this. Here you can see some part of circuit I already draw it, because we I told you earlier how can we draw this circuit. So now if you have any problem regarding to circuit drawing, please check my previous video. I will explain all this thing. Now we have to come to part on my dependent source. So here part and search E. Here you can see E. Place here. Here you can place now. Here you can see this is means come to our circuit. This is the main, this is the part. This we have to connect positive negative through 2M resistance and dependent on positive negative 4M resistance, means 4 terminal you have seen in E. Here is 4 terminal. Now we have to connect. You can see a circle type. We have to connect circle type on that, and where it depends, we have to depends on this. So you have to connect on this. Remember positive negative, don't forget. Now place wire. Here you can now positive is here and negative is here. Here you can see this is not a make node. You have to remember it. If it make node, then draw it from shift right and then you can cross it easily. Now if you know in Thevenin resistance you have to connect one source, independent source I2 no IDC. Direction is not rotate. Now connect wire. Now save project and go to pspice, new simulation profile, type anything, create, and then pop-up window, simulation setting, DC sweep. You know all these things. You have current source, name that current source I2, start value 0, end value 1, increment 0.1, apply, OK. Now run this. You can easily run from this symbol, run pspice. Here our output is coming. See, address. You know all these things in Thevenin's analysis. So you have to what is Vi2 minus, select Vi2 minus, and here you can see this is the, this is, what is this? This is VTH intercept, and this slope of that is RTH. We're not going to calculating that, we already do Thevenin's circuit analysis. You can see that here we can only know how can we implement this dependent source type. So here you can see another method to implement and draw a dependent source in any circuit, and that is much easier. I can and referable if you, so I can show you how the another method. So you have to delete all this. Some are yes, delete this. And type on again E. Here you can see. Now this time place here, rotate that and circle on that, move some upward. This method is called net alias method. You can see what is the method. First, you understand all these things. Some rotation problem, if rotate, so you have to connect like that, because positive terminal is here, so positive, the circuit is here, and negative here. I forget that our circuit have 2 Vx. I not change the gain. If 2 Vx means voltage of this is twice of voltage of that, so you have to gain 2. If 2 Vx, 3 Vx, 3. So in previous circuit I not change gain, means Vx is equal to here Vx means voltage across this across equal to voltage across this. Now so in this to match value we not change in this circuit also, but you can change according to your circuit. Now connect that. And here you can produce some wire only. You know why all we doing this. After completing it, you can know how why we do this. So here you can see place net alias. Name this net a small a, you can write anything, and here, so I name this, and here also you have to name, note this a, same note, means positive to positive, again this time B. And here we can, means positive negative, means what is the meaning of that, means we say the pspice that our positive negative means A and B same as here, net same voltage, means this voltage depend on the voltage across this resistance. So we same net alias means same. In you can, this is the another method and easy method. So simply, if you want to pspice new simulation profile, the new simulation, create anything and then here pop-up window, DC sweep, current source I2, remember capital I2 same as your second current source, start value 0, end value 1, increment 0.1, apply, okay, now done. And here is our fresh new output is coming. Add trace Vi2 minus, here voltage across I2 means x-axis is I2 and voltage across I2 is in y-axis plot, and here you can see same as previous. This is VTH and slope is RTH. So you can connect in these two method. I suppose to you the second method is very much easier. So thank you guys, keep watching. I sure you enjoyed this video. So if you have any problem, comment below. Thank you guys, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.